So if you want to cancel your Quibi subscription, whether you're on a free trial or not, it's actually very simple. The first thing we need to do is open up the Quibi application and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, you want to click on your icon in the top right hand corner, and then you want to click on My Account at the top. From here, you want to click on Change Subscription Plan, and on this page it will show you your subscription plan, and it's going to show you when it renews. Now you want to click on Manage Subscriptions at the very bottom of the page, and this is going to take you to your App Store subscriptions or your Google Play Store subscriptions if you're on Android. You then want to click on the Quibi subscription, and depending on when you're watching this video, these options may be different. However, if you want to cancel your subscription, you want to click on Cancel Subscription at the bottom. It's going to come up with a confirmation box asking if you want to cancel your subscription or not, and if you do decide to cancel it, you're still going to have access to Quibi until your renewal date, but don't worry, you won't be charged. And that is all you need to do to cancel your Quibi subscription. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find helpful as well. Thanks for watching and have a good day.